Kumaw ka, Erin. Maperdim laog. Aking pagi na itay. Ukulele niya. Oh, what do you call that, Erin? Huh? What do you call that? Yeah, guitar, Korana. No, it's not a guitar. It's so small. There's a name on it. No, the other one. That one. Can you read it? Can you read it? Erin, can you read it? Ate ini basa ukulele. Jam. Erin. Nakomenta ka nga rin na, Erin. Erin. Tam ni Homer. Manghang-mangha kanyam. Apa ya? Ito nagsangit. Nay. Sino nagdanaw? Erin. May ka na. Erin. Erin.
Katawag.